Barbecue grown in a laboratory will not be on Texas menus anytime soon. A new law will go into effect this September, banning the sale of lab-grown meat.
Industry experts say the ban will cut the state off from innovation and a healthier food source. KXAN's Eric Henriksen takes a closer look at the fight over your dinner.
As ranchers here in Texas, we produce 19% of the world's beef with only 6% of the world's cattle. However, some have decided that a lab is better than a pasture.
It's a question of the past versus the future.
We take cells from animals or eggs and grow them directly into meat.
Should Texans be served meat grown in a lab or raised on a farm?
Texas prides itself on being open for business, and yet here we have a law that's shutting down a business.
Lab-grown or cultured meat is a growing industry.
Cultivated meat, in our view, is safer than the conventional meat that is produced in a large scale that's on the market right now.
Dr. Uma Valetti with Upside Foods has led the charge on cultured meat. Their product, lab-grown chicken, was the first of its kind.
It's really important for our national security to be able to put meat on the table from an animal-based source.
The new law, once it takes effect, will ban the sale of this meat source in Texas. The state is one of 7 with a ban in place. One of the concerns about lab-grown meat is the impact it could have on this stuff right here.
We don't necessarily see ourselves as competition.
Katie Cam is the CEO of BioBQ. They aim to grow brisket in a lab. Cam testified this year before the Senate committee hearings over the bill. There, ranchers voiced concerns over the safety of lab-grown meat.
Because these products are so new, there has been no long-term research.
Cultivated meat is a step above in terms of production quality, cleanliness, and safety.
Once the law takes effect, BioBQ will still be able to operate in Texas, but selling the lab-grown brisket is off the table. Eric Henriksen, KXAN News.
And the law will remain in effect until 2027, when it will then go up for a review. Only 4 nations currently allow the sale of lab-grown meat to people. That's the U.S., Israel, the Netherlands, and Singapore.